everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Nothing Phone 2A, a phone that's turning heads with its unique design and budget-friendly price tag. But is it all style and no substance? Let's find out. First up, that design. It's hard to miss. The transparent back with its visible glyph lights is definitely a conversation starter. It's not just for looks though. These lights can act as notification indicators and even a charging animation. Build quality feels good overall, with a grippy matte frame and a surprisingly thin profile. Flipping it over, the display is a real treat. We're looking at a bright and smooth 120Hz OLED panel. Scrolling and watching videos feels fantastic, especially considering the price point. Nothing Phone 2A packs a respectable punch. In the performance department, the mid-range processor handles everyday tasks without breaking a sweat, though heavy gamers might want to look elsewhere. Now, let's talk cameras. The Nothing Phone 2A features a dual-lens system on the back. In good lighting, you can capture some decent shots, but low-light performance is a bit underwhelming. Where the Nothing Phone 2A truly shines is with its software. Nothing OS is clean, bloatware-free, and offers a near-stock Android experience. Battery life is another strong point. The 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day on a single charge. So, who is the Nothing Phone 2A for? If you prioritize design, a clean software experience, and excellent battery life, this phone is definitely worth considering. It might not be the best choice for hardcore gamers or low-light photography enthusiasts, but for everyday users on a budget, the Nothing Phone 2A offers a compelling package. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the Nothing Phone 2A. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.